Na tayo. A is for?
Apple.
Very good. B is for?
Bird.
Ay, galing. C is for?
Cat.
Ay, galing. D is for? Ano to? Dove.
Dog.
D is for?
Dog.
Ang gagaling. O, yung E is for?
Elephant.
Very good. O, dito tayo. F is for?
Fish.
Uy, very good. Ito, G is for?
Legs.
Ang gagaling na naman. H is for? Honey.
Honey.
H is for?
Honey.
Kagaling. O, ito, tignan mo to. I is for?